At the very top, we are going to talk about our rules right here for multiplying and dividing integers. So multiplying and dividing. We have rules for addition. We take our subtraction to add the opposite and use our addition rules. Now let's talk about multiplying, okay? If we multiply or divide two numbers that are both positive, what kind of answer are we going to get? What did you say, Jacob Tanner? Positive. Okay. If we multiply two negatives together, a negative times a negative makes a what? Makes a positive. Okay. But then we could have one, whoops, that's not my highlighter. One negative, one positive. What kind of number is that going to make? A negative number. Okay. So two positive numbers that are multiplied or divided give us a positive product or quotient. Two negative numbers that are multiplied or divided will give us a positive answer. But if we have one positive, one negative, our answer is going to be negative. What's a simple way using one sentence to describe all three of those rules? In one sentence, nice and simple, how can we describe what those three rules tell us? I've even put them into two groups for you there. What's going on in this top group? What's going on in this bottom group? What do you think, Ellie? What's true with the problems in that top group? They equal positive. Okay, so now I want you to compare those things right there. What's true about each of those? What'd you say? They both have the same symbol, okay? So if we have the same symbol, then our answer is going to be positive. Whether it's both positive or both negative, our answer is going to be positive, okay? But if they have a different symbol, what's going to be true about our answer? Okay, if we have a different symbol, then our answer is going to be negative. Okay. Okay. Now, we're going to focus today on going through problems of multiplication and division. And some of you might think, oh, yeah, I got this. But then when we mix these problems with addition and subtraction, we're really going to have to keep our rules straight. So that's why we're going to practice them individually before we put them all together. Okay? So we're going to come down to multiplying integers. These chunk of problems right here. Okay? So I am looking at this problem right here. Okay? What's true about the signs of our two numbers? Okay, they're the same. They are both negative. So if they are both negative, what's going to be true about our answer? It's going to be positive, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a positive just as a reminder, but do I really need that? No, I don't really need that, okay? Channing, what is 9 times 3? 27. So negative 9 times negative 3 is a positive 27. Okay, you don't need to write the plus. That was just a reminder that it needed to be positive. Okay. All right. Amari, what's true about this the symbols in our numbers for number 36? They are both negative. And Liam, if both of our numbers are negative, what's going to happen when we multiply our numbers together? What kind of answer are we going to have? Okay, we're going to have a positive answer. Okay. Negative times a negative is going to be a positive. Landon with an I. What is that positive number going to be? 44. Okay. Oh, weird. I have a different notation. I have 8 parentheses, negative 9 parentheses. What does parentheses mean? Okay, it means multiply. You saw that last, right? Okay. So this just means 8. If you want the dot, you can put the dot in. 8 times negative 9. Okay. So Stephen, what kind of answer are we going to have? Okay, Stephen says we're going to have a negative answer. I gotta get choked, sorry guys. Stephen says we're going to have a negative answer. Carly, why? Okay, so 8 is positive, 9 is negative. So if we're multiplying a negative times a positive, our answer is going to be negative. What is 8 times 9? 72. Do you know the hand trick for multiplying by 9s? Okay. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. That's how many fingers are showing. 9 times 3 is 27. 36. 45. You ever need help? My fingers don't work great anymore. Okay. And then 38. Negative 6 times 10. Elaine, what kind of answer are we going to have? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay, Elaine says negative. Landon with an O. Why is it negative? Okay, we have a negative times a positive, which means our answer is negative, specifically negative 60. What I want from you, these 6 problems right here, you are going to complete them on your own, and then at your table, check that everybody has the same answer, because you're going to be answering as a table when I ask for our answers, okay? Ready, set, go. Do the 6, check in with your table. With you. Okay, so I haven't heard any noise, so I'm assuming we have not checked with our table to compare answers. So until I hear that, I'm not going to continue. your answers? No, you're not. All right, blue table. Number 39, what'd you get for an answer? They got a positive 28. Thumbs up or thumbs down that you agree with the blue table? Positive 28. Okay, thank you, thumbs. Yellow table. What did you get for an answer for number 40? Positive 48. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you agree with the yellow table? Thumbs down? Okay. Teal table, 41. What'd you get? Negative 22. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Do you agree with the teal table? I don't see a lot of thumbs. Thank you. All right. Green table, number 42. Positive 24. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, we have a negative times a negative, so our answer has to be positive. All right. Purple table, 43. What'd you get for your answer? Negative 45. We have thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay. We have a negative times a positive, so our answer is negative. All right. And then our red table. What'd you get? Negative 32. We have a positive times a negative, so our answer needs to be negative. Okay? All right. Now let's talk about dividing. Okay, the same rules apply, which is really nice that multiply and divide have the same rules. Okay? So let's look at number 45 first. We have two positive numbers being divided, which means our answer is going to be what? Everyone? What? Positive. We're going to have a positive number. So now we just need to think of 63 divided by 7. What times 7 equals 63? 9. All right, Josie, in number 46, we have a negative divided by a negative. What kind of answer are we going to have? Okay, Josie's saying a positive answer. 18 divided by 9 is 2. So negative 18 divided by negative 9 is a positive 2. Okay. Temperance, what kind of answer will we have in 47? And is that a positive or a negative 3? Okay. Tegan, why is our answer positive in number 47? We have two negatives. They're the same sign, which means our answer is positive. Okay. All right. And then 48. Kaylee, are we going to have a positive or a negative answer? We're going to have a negative answer. Carlos, why? So the 20 is negative and the 2 is positive. So we have one negative, one positive, so our answer is negative. Specifically, negative 10. Okay. You know the drill. I need you to do the last 6 here on this page. Check in with your answers when you have them. We'll go over them together. It makes me happy that you know how to be quiet, but please make sure you're checking answers with the people at your table to verify that you are on the right track. All right, we ready? All right, green table. I want the answer to 51. -1. Okay, this problem gave some people some issues. If you put 0, I can understand where that came from. But the answer is -1. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Okay. Negative divided by a positive gives us a negative. Okay. If you put a 0, you were thinking of addition. -8 plus 8, yes, those cancel each other out for 0. But we're dividing. Okay. All right. Let's see. Teal table. Number 50. What was your answer? Did I hear -7? Okay, -7. Positive divided by negative is a negative. Great. Purple table. 53. -6. Very good. Red table. Number 52. +7. You have 2 negative numbers. Divide them, you get a positive answer. Yellow table. Number 49. +9. And then the last color that I haven't done is blue. What's the answer to 54? -12. Very good.